at their comfort of where they will be.
Jolupo e karchungod bura ma Kinango e county Makwale dhimbele kod chenro mar pidho yiende mag Mangrove e tie nam kaka yor jiwo bunge mayudore e alwora mar nam chumbi. Lokruok mar chal kor lwasi kod joma tongo yiende gwengego osekelo kethruok ne bunge alwora mar nam chumbi. Pith mar yien geto lowo eka 115 mayudore gweng mabonje ma osekethore e lwet joma beto yien ka ok gidewo rito bunge. Moko kuom yien bende manie pi oula yuero ka koro riwruok mar jodak mag bunge kara mabunje mong'ere kaka Bonje Community Forest Association owuok oko mar pidho kara mar neno yore mag neno ni yien opidh kanyo e yo makare.
Kwa ajili ya kuhifadhi mazingira, mama amejenga nyumba pia kuibadilisha, manake ilikuwa ni nyumba ya matope. Sasa hii amebadilisha, ameweka bati juu ya nyumba yake, amejenga vizuri na watoto wake wanakula vizuri, wanasoma vizuri.
Migago Creek is facing a number of threats, including unsustainable use of the mangrove resources, like cutting down of the trees for use in building materials as well as for firewood. But there's also some emerging threats on bait harvesting that is causing the mangrove trees to be weak. That's jeopardizing the mangrove ecosystem. So WWF Kenya is engaging and working with communities through the community CFAs here in Migago Creek to protect, conserve and restore the mangrove ecosystem. We have a target of about 300 hectares by 2025.
Nyumani kulikuwa na changamoto kwa sababu ya mambo ya uharibifu, lakini kwa wakati huu kupitia kwa ushirikiano ambao tuko nao kati ya Kenya Forest Service na WWF kupitia huu mradi wa 222 benefit, tumeweza kusaidia wananchi wa hapa, wameweza kutusaidia kufanya mambo ya capacity building, kuwapatia mafunzo ambayo itawasaidia katika kufanya vikundi kuwa na nguvu na zaidi kuwashirikisha zaidi katika uhifadhi wa mkoko katika hapa Migago Creek.